In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk optimize product titles and descriptions with AI in Shopify. Start inside your Shopify admin. Go to the search bar at the top of the screen and click into it. In that search field, type AI Bulk Product Editor. Say the name as you enter it, one part of the time if needed, so the full app name appears clearly in the search bar. When the search results appear, click the option to search AI Bulk Product Editor in the Shopify store. This takes you into the app listing view. Find the app called AI Bulk Editor, then click into it. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will then show the permissions screen. Read through the permissions page, then click Install again to confirm. After that, you are taken straight into the AI Bulk app dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Once the app dashboard is open, move to the top right area and click Start Editing. This opens the Bulk Edit wizard. You are now on the Select step, which is the part where you choose which products you want the app to optimize. On the Select screen, choose All Products. Make sure every product in the list is selected so the optimization runs across the full group you want to update. When all products are selected, go to the bottom of the page and click Continue. That moves you to the Configure step. This is where you tell the app which product fields the AI should work on. Look through the available field options and select the ones for title and description. Depending on the exact labels shown on your screen, these may appear as product title and product description or something very similar. The goal here is to make sure both the title field and the description field are checked. After both fields are selected, click Continue to prompt. Now you are on the prompt step. Click into the prompt text box and type your optimization instructions. Take a moment here and enter the full prompt carefully so the AI knows how to rewrite the selected product titles and descriptions. If your screen shows example prompts underneath the text box, you can look at them briefly while staying in this same step. Once your prompt is in place, click Run for all three products. As soon as you do that, the AI begins processing every selected product using the instructions you entered. This takes a moment, so allow the app time to generate the updates. When processing is complete, move to the results screen, which may also be labeled Preview. On this page, scroll through the product list. You will see the previous content and the newly generated content shown side by side, or in a comparable review layout depending on how the page appears in your account. Go through each product and read the new title and the new description carefully. Confirm that the wording is accurate and sounds natural. If a result does not look right, edit that result directly in place, or deselect that product so it is excluded from the final update. Continue through the list until you have reviewed every generated change you want to keep. Once you are satisfied with the updated titles and descriptions, go to the bottom of the page and click Apply, or click Apply Changes if that is the button label shown in your view. The app will begin updating the selected products inside Shopify. Wait until you see the confirmation message showing that the changes have been applied successfully. At this point, the bulk optimization is complete. Your selected products now have updated AI-generated titles and descriptions applied in one operation inside Shopify. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Back in your products list, the titles now reflect the optimized wording. When you click into any updated product, the description section shows the longer revised copy that was generated during the bulk edit. The process is finished, and the selected product content has been updated directly through the